Support your family today.
Aquaphoenix installation video.
This water purifier consists a digital display with microprocessor. Let's see what are the functions of this display or how it works. When you power on this purifier, all LEDs will glow. Then RO will go for membrane flushing. Membrane flushing will take place for 18 seconds. Now purification is on. Tank is empty. So tank empty LED will glow. Purification is going on. So water is start filling up. But purifying LEDs are still not glowing. This is because we have a special kind of a float. When water will fill and it will reach to lower float, then purifying LEDs will start glowing. This will take around 15 minutes to reach to the lower float. Thereafter, LEDs will start glowing, that is purification is going on. After around 30 minutes, the water will reach to the upper float. That means the tank is full. Now tank is full. So again the RO water purifier will go to the membrane flushing. This membrane flushing will take place for 18 seconds. Now see, tank is full, so the tank full signal will be on. If you take a glass of water from the tank, then in other brand, the RO will start immediately. But this is not the case in this water purifier. This water purifier will not start purifying till you take out 6 liters of water. Means when the water will reach to the lower float, then only purification will start. So whenever the tank becomes full, water purifier goes for the membrane flushing. This membrane flushing will increase the life of the membrane. This intelligent display shows 3 kinds of faults. The first fault. Suppose the service LED is flashing and the buzzer is on. That means the water is not coming to the tank. Say you start the water purifier, the water is supposed to come to the tank. After 15 minutes, the water should reach to the lower float. If it does not reach within 25 minutes to the lower float, that means there is some problem. Like you have forgot to turn on the tap, or there may not be the water in upper or overhead tank, or your pump may have problem. That's why water is not coming to the tank. So this display will wait for 25 minutes, and if water does not come, then the service LED will start flashing and the buzzer will be continuously on till you power off the machine and find out the problem. Second fault will be shown by this display is, say all LEDs are flashing, buzzer is continuously on. This indicates the filter's life is over. In other brand water purifier, the filter buzzer is time based, but here it is intelligent. Say how it is. This water tank is supposed to fill up in 30 to 35 or maximum 40 minutes. That depends upon your TDS. If this tank takes more than 90 minutes to fill up, then this display shows a fault by flashing all LEDs and continuous buzzer. This means your filters are blocked somewhere or their aging is there. That's why this water is not coming to the tank, or it is coming very slowly and it is taking more than 90 minutes to fill up the tank. So this is the time to change your filter. You have to change the filter, then the things will go normally. If you power off this and power on again, then again the purifier will work for 90 minutes and again it will give you the same fault. So to come out of this fault, you have to change your filter. The third fault is these 6 small LEDs are flashing and buzzer is continuously on. This indicates the float in your system having some problem, and that float is not able to send signal to the microprocessor based display. So you need to change the float. This display is having a touch screen. Means you can turn this off and on by just touching the digital screen. Similarly, you can turn on and off the UV. But when UV is needed to be on, that time UV will remain on. That time you cannot turn it off. When you want extra UV to be focused on a tank, that time only you can turn it on by touching the UV position.
Protect your family today.